After logging in on the Daoversal platform, click on Asset, Deposit Account, find the DC name and click on the deposit account. At this point, we need to copy our UID. We are going now to log in into the Hypercommunity platform, where once inside, we need to log again for the DC voice and click on Transfer. Scrolling down, we find the UID receiver line, where we go to paste our UID copied just before from the Daoversal platform. Click on Confirm. At this point, we will be asked to insert the code they send automatically on our mail. We take the code from our email, let's put it in the specific space and confirm again. Generally, the transfer is immediate, and returning to Daoversal, we should see that the pending are already been uploaded to our account. At this point, we can proceed with the purchase of our Tfa package, remembering that every user, regardless of the pending he has, must start with the package A, which is the basic 5000 EU. Click on Asset, go back to the top of the page and click on Tfa. We find package A from 5000 and click on Subscribe. Since there is a limited number of packages available daily, if the package were to be sold out, we should do nothing but wait for the company to upload the new package for the day on the platform. Usually the platform is updated at midnight Dubai time. When you can go with the package, you need to click on Subscribe. Subscribe again and finally click on Confirm. Enter the transaction password and the package will have been purchased. Keep in mind that after purchasing the Tfa, it takes about 48 hours to become active. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to be informed.